Victoria's premier model railway exhibition is back on again here at the Caulfield Racecourse over the weekend of the 12th and 13th of September.
Step into the fascinating world of model railways at Victoria's biggest model train event, with something for everyone. From intricate layouts to hands-on activities, it's a perfect day out for families, hobbyists and train lovers of all ages. This year we'll see over 60 layouts and trade stands, operating layouts in all scales and prototypes. With trade stands from major manufacturers to cottage industry specialists, with model tools, kits and more, as well as a huge second-hand stall and Kids U Drive. Getting quicker this year with online tickets available now on our website, or they'll be available on the day with a flat rate of $20, with children under 16 entering free when accompanied by an adult. Now getting there is easier than ever, with public transport access from the CBD by train, tram or bus, but do check the Transport Victoria website for any updates. Or even by car, with free on-street parking around the venue. With that, doors will be open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Saturday and 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Sunday. And if you have any questions or queries, please reach out to AMRA Victoria directly or check the website for further information.
So get your tickets now for what's going to be Victoria's biggest model railway exhibition, and we'll see you all there. Hooroo!